Welcome to the Driveverse channel. Today, we're introducing a truly exceptional vehicle, the powerful, luxurious, and elegant BMW ALPINA XB7. Let's dive into the specifics. We'll cover its powerful engine specs, advanced technology features, and luxurious interior design that make this SUV a must-see. The XB7's engine is a real powerhouse, with a 4.4-liter V8 producing a staggering 631 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to propel this luxury SUV from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. Yeah, it's fast. But it's not just about brute force. The XB7's engine is also incredibly refined, with a silky smooth power delivery that makes it a joy to drive. The ALPINA XB7 stands out with unique features, such as a custom ALPINA Digital Instrument Cluster integrated into the BMW Curved Display, a hand-stitched steering wheel wrapped in luxurious LAVALINA leather, and exclusive badging and trim specific to the model. The XB7's luxurious interior design is another area where it truly shines. With premium materials and meticulous attention to detail, the XB7's cabin is a true haven of comfort and sophistication. From the heated and ventilated seats to the beautifully crafted trim, every aspect of the interior has been designed to provide a truly exceptional driving experience. And with features like a panoramic moonroof and premium sound system, the XB7 is the perfect vehicle for those who want the very best. We'll take a closer on its luxurious interior. With premium materials and meticulous attention to detail, the XB7's cabin is a haven of comfort and sophistication. From the heated and ventilated seats to the cutting-edge infotainment system, every aspect of the interior has been designed to provide a truly exceptional driving experience. But can the XB7's impressive spec sheet translate to real-world performance and driving dynamics? If you're interested, stay with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up if you like the video.